from the agency here at Rosslyn Bay Resort to show you my latest listing. Just across the road from the beach and a stone's throw over to the Rosslyn Bay Harbour, you're going to absolutely love this one. Absolutely love the facilities available. Not only do they have this stunning in-ground pool with water feature, they also have an adjoining restaurant and spa. Welcome to Unit 10. Let's head on in and have a look. Recently refurbished, this unit offers lucrative returns and so much flexibility. Live like you're on holidays all year long, Airbnb, or keep it as part of the letting pool. It's up to you. So guys, there you have it for unit number 10 at Rosslyn Bay Resort. If you'd like to know more about this genuine one-bedroom property, please don't hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.